How to connect Netflix from phone to TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can connect Netflix from phone to TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To connect Netflix from your phone to TV, open up the Netflix application here. Once you launch Netflix, just go ahead and then log in to one of your profiles. Once you have done that, you can actually connect after you play a video or before you even play something. You can tap the cast icon from the top right beside the search bar. So when you tap the cast icon there, you should be able to see the TVs that are available. If your TV isn't showing up, make sure that it is powered on properly, and after that it's going to definitely show up. And once done, you should be able to cast your Netflix to TV and connect from phone to TV. This way you'll be able to connect Netflix from phone to TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.